Oh, great to see the sun today. You know, everybody's demeanor here at the station is even better today. Everybody's in a good mood because we got some nice sunshine. The clouds have been hanging on a little bit in our southern counties somewhat, but still, you'll get some sunshine at least this evening and temperatures warming up into the mid-30s. But here's the next weather system taking shape in the plains. Snow breaking out in Nebraska, right across the mountains of Wyoming, into Colorado and Montana. You see all the winter weather advisories, winter storm watches. And notice here in Kansas how the moisture is starting to blossom here as the Gulf, which is here, starts to open up and we start to get more moisture coming out of the Gulf and even some Pacific moisture. Notice here in Mexico, right there, beginning to stream into the system. Good news is we're going to miss out on the heaviest snow with this system, and that's really my focus this evening. We've got a system Friday night, Saturday, a pretty big one early parts of next week. That could have a lot of ice, even some snow with it, and a sharp cold snap on the way as another surge of Arctic air arrives later next week. In fact, overnight lows in the single digits. Tonight, though, clouds break up. Some patchy freezing fog will drop 10 to 15. Tomorrow, partly cloudy day, a little high-thin cirrus clouds, cloud action arriving during the afternoon hours. Becomes cloudy tomorrow night, and notice the snow at 10 p.m. tomorrow night right off to our west. Snow begins to arrive by Saturday morning. But looking at the atmospheric profiles, it looks like we may actually mix a little sleet, perhaps a little very light freezing rain. This may not be all snow, and the snow does look fairly light. If we look off to the northwest, looks like the heaviest snowfall will be up in Iowa and Nebraska, where upwards of 6 inches may fall in that area. You can see here's Lafayette. Notice Iowa, Nebraska, out towards Kansas, over 6 inches likely. The 2 to 4 inches off to our northwest. As for us, models are cranking out 1 to 2 inches. That might be pushing it. As a matter of fact, it may only be an inch or less of snow and a little sleet, perhaps a little light freezing rain early on Saturday morning. So tonight, though, 14, a few clouds, patchy freezing fog. 34 tomorrow, partly cloudy, but still below normal temperature-wise. There's that snow, perhaps a little sleet, a little light freezing rain mixing in, mainly early Saturday. And there you have it. By later on in the week, another big storm by early next week. And certainly temperatures below normal. Notice our average is about 38. We'll still be below normal next week.
This is the perfect time to schedule a cruise, isn't it?
Is,
or at least to take one.
I've got one coming up for the wedding. Getting married March 20th. Not a moment too soon.
Have fun on that.
Yeah,
all right, but
we'll
see you again at 6. You'll be